mê hê tì pa thôn pan tì sa ca rê hê pơn thang tham mang sang gang a bê bô chia
In talks, firstly, I speak to myself as a reprimand for myself, my own behaviors, my actions, and the thoughts that I have been thinking that are just not progressive. They're not forward moving. They're not moving me closer. So I have to make this talk to myself first before a warning or a caution to anyone else that I find listening to this lecture that wants to free themselves from the bondage that we put ourselves in because of lack of restraint, lack of wisdom, or lack of endurance, or just the all-out lack of what we need to proceed further. I'm finding out on this lonely path that it is only lonely because I've invested too much energy, too much time, too much attention to that which is a bottomless pit, those things which are constantly hungry, the things that are never satiated, the things that are never going to return the same quality of energy that you invest in it, and you get all ugly when that, if you used wisdom and saw it and accepted it as it was, you would not feel the pain, you would not feel this hurt, you would not feel the frustration. Because you knew when you signed up for the mission that it was a suicide mission from the beginning. You knew when you signed the dotted line that it is a policy that has a no return policy. You knew it. So where is this false, fake, unreal sense of shock, this sense of, I can't believe this happened? Where did that come from? False sense of outrage. You know never to trust a person with a truth that carries behind their back a knife. You know to never come close to a person that says they will not harm you when they are carrying a weapon behind their back. When things in life, when situations in life, when people in life, when your thoughts arrive, come and burst into your thoughts, you need to find out what their motivation, their intention, where do they come from? Is this beneficial for you? Why don't you ask questions? And when they prove to you what their ulterior motives are, when they prove to you and show you what direction they are trying to move, why do you think it's going to be something different just because you, Mr. Holy Man, Mr. Meditation Specialist is going to be something different because you're on the scene. What makes you more different? When the situation goes sour, do not expect to taste the sweetness, the nutritious, sweet flavor of happiness that is going to come afterwards. You are misguided, you are deluded, and you need to step back a little bit. Step back. You're being trampled over. Do you not see that the things that are in the path of your waking life are nothing but a repetition, are nothing but a manifestation of what is happening inside of your own mind? Inside of your own mind. The problem is not the outside. The problem is in the inside, manifesting its way to the physical realm that you live, to the physical world that you are treading the path on. It is contradiction. What you are seeing within people that you are constantly in contact with is nothing but contradictions. Where the contradictions come from? Because of your own intentions, your own promises, your own affliction. It is causing them to manifest outwardly. What do you want to do? Do you want to follow the path of the Arahant? Do you want to follow the path of the Lord Buddha? Do you want to follow the path of TV conglomerates? Do you want to be a singer? Do you want to be a dancer? Whatever it is that you want to be committed. Just be committed. Stop playing both sides of the fence. Stop playing on both teams. Stop going left and right. Do you not see it is ripping you apart? Do you not see it is causing you conflict? Do you not see that it is not making you a light-hearted, warm, content person? It is tearing you right down the middle. How do you feel? How do you feel knowing that such conflict in your life, the problems in your life, are not going away because something inside of you is attracted to the conflict? Something about you likes putting yourself in this situation. Why is it that you feel that self-punishment? Why is it that you feel that you need to torture yourself to be atoned for the ignorance that you entertain? Who told you this? Who told you you need to destroy yourself in order for you to be accepted by yourself? It is you that it has to accept you, not anybody else. Stop giving your power away from people. Stop giving your power to people who want to make sure your lights are off. You are your own candle. You are your own refuge. You are your own island. Lord Buddha said you are your own island. What I understood from that is, if you are your own refuge, you are your own island, you better be cautious of who is trying to take refuge upon the shores of your island. We all know what happened when Christopher Columbus came to our shores, and those who had refuge on that turtle island, what happened to them? You better make sure whatever is coming upon your land, your mind, your space, and your thought is coming there to help you build a better you. Not to come rip away from your progress, destroy all the mindfulness, kill your sati. Make sure that you feel abandonment, loneliness, tears. You better make sure that is not who is there, because they never come in the outfit that they really wear. They always come in disguise, like the Trojan horse. Knocks on your door. What a pretty big, beautiful horse. There couldn't possibly be thousands of men, hundreds of men inside this big horse. Let the doors open and let them in. And what did they do? They opened up the horse and they seeked havoc on the citadel and took it over. You need to be the same with all the feelings and all of the awarenesses that are coming into your mind telling you that I'm happiness and I'm only by myself. Open the door. I'm sadness. It's only me, little sadness. Open the door. It is me. It is Mr. Hunger. It's only me, hunger. Open the door. Stop opening the door. Why don't you start asking questions? Okay. Who's with you? Well, I'm happy, but I also come with attachments. I'm happiness, but I'm also coming with attachments. I also come with memories from the past. I also come with feelings of resentment. I also come with ecstaticness. I also come with restlessness. You need to start being a little more diligent. You need to start being a little more conservative about the feelings that you are ready to commit and jump onto as soon as they hit the door, buddy. You got to start doing that. People love drama. They like a show. And they like putting you through the motions. You know what we say in English? People like to see you go through the emotions because they like entertainment. Are you a clown? Are you a jester? Are you a side show entertainment piece? No, you are not. Stop letting people put you through the emotions because they are emotionless. Stop letting situations surprise you because you are not a Christmas tree. You do not belong to a holiday. Stop letting people put you through the emotions because they are emotionless. Stop letting situations surprise you because you are not a Christmas tree. You do not belong to a holiday.